Welcome, everyone. In today's fast-paced digital world, managing personal finances effectively is more important than ever. Imagine having a tool that not only helps you track your spending and income, but also allows you to set financial goals and view your data even when you're offline. Sounds great, right? That's exactly what we're going to build today. A personal finance tracker using React and IndexedDB. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional app that showcases your ability to harness modern web technologies. If you want to continue your journey with cutting-edge tutorials like this one, make sure to subscribe to our channel. You'll stay ahead of the curve with the latest in web development. Let's dive in. Before we jump into coding, let's explore what makes React and IndexedDB the perfect duo for our finance tracker. React is a powerhouse for building user interfaces, especially single-page applications. Its component-based architecture allows us to create reusable components, ensuring our app is not only efficient, but also scalable. Think of React as the Lego blocks of web development. You can build anything by putting the right pieces together. On the other hand, IndexedDB is like a digital filing cabinet, perfect for storing large amounts of data locally on your device. It's asynchronous and supports transactions, providing a seamless experience even when you're offline. This means your finance tracker can store all your financial data securely on your device, ensuring accessibility without an internet connection. Together, React and IndexedDB offer a robust solution for building a responsive, offline-capable finance tracker. Now let's get our hands dirty with some code and see how we can put these concepts into practice. We'll start by creating the main component of our app, the finance tracker. This component is where all the magic happens. We'll use React to build a user-friendly interface and IndexedDB to store our transactions. Within the finance tracker component, we initialize our IndexedDB database, allowing us to store and retrieve transactions. The component features a simple form where users can input the amount and description of their transactions. Once a transaction is added, it appears in a list below the form. This setup effectively demonstrates the real-time capabilities of React combined with the storage power of IndexedDB. Check out the file below to see how it's all structured. Let's see the personal finance tracker in action. Upon loading, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive interface displaying a title and a form to add transactions. You can enter the amount and a description for each transaction. Once you hit Add Transaction, the transaction is instantly added to the list below, showcasing React's dynamic rendering capabilities. We'll add a transaction for groceries with an amount of $100. As soon as we submit the form, the transaction appears in the list. Next, we'll add another transaction for rent with an amount of $200, and just like that, it's added to our local database and displayed in the list. This seamless interaction between the user interface and local data storage highlights the power of combining React with IndexedDB to create a user-friendly and responsive finance tracker. And there you have it, a fully functional personal finance tracker built using React and IndexedDB. This project not only enhances your skills in modern web development, but also provides a practical tool to manage your finances. By mastering these technologies, you position yourself to create applications that are both powerful and user-centric. Remember, the key takeaway here is the ability to create offline-capable applications that maintain a smooth user experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Staying updated with our content means you're constantly improving your skills with real-world examples that you can implement right away. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy coding. Happy coding.